In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text effects using a word processing software. This is a great way to make your text stand out and give your documents a more polished and professional look. Whether you're creating a presentation, crafting a flyer, or simply wanting to enhance the visual appeal of your documents, learning how to apply text effects can significantly elevate your work. Let's dive in and explore how you can easily add these effects. First, you'll want to start by selecting the text you wish to apply the effect to. This is an important step because the changes we'll make will only affect the text you choose. Make sure you've highlighted exactly what you want to enhance, whether it's a headline or a specific section of your document. Next, you'll need to navigate to the Home tab on your software's toolbar. This is typically located at the top of your screen and serves as the control center for basic text formatting. Once you're on the Home tab, direct your attention to the font group. This area contains various settings that allow you to customize the appearance of your text, from choosing the font style to adjusting the font size. Within this group, you'll find the Text Effects and Typography option. This button is often represented by an A symbol adorned with a slight glow or shadow behind it. It's designed to catch your attention and simplify the process of adding special effects to your text. Click on the Text Effects and Typography drop-down to reveal a menu of effect options at your disposal. Here, you'll find a variety of choices to explore, each offering a distinct visual enhancement. Some of the options include shadow, which adds dimension by creating a subtle or dramatic shadow behind your text, and reflection, giving your text a mirrored look as if it's positioned above a reflective surface. The glow option is another exciting choice, allowing your text to radiate with a soft light around its edges, perfect for emphasizing important sections. Then there's outline, enabling you to add a border around your text, which can be customized in terms of thickness and color. Lastly, you might come across the transform option, though it's worth noting it might not be available for plain text. This option lets you curve, warp, or twist your text into various shapes, providing a highly customized look. To get a sense of what each effect would look like, simply hover over the different options. As you do, a preview will appear on your selected text. This interactive feature is helpful in visualizing the result without permanently applying the effect. Once you've decided on the effect that best suits your needs, click to apply it. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully transformed your text using creative effects. Experiment with different combinations and discover what works best for your specific project. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and you'll soon see how these enhancements can bring your documents to life. Happy editing!